Okay, so on the charging side, it says blow. This is where the air comes out. And the vacuum side is what you point down towards whatever you're vacuuming, and it says absorb on the vacuuming side. So out, you move it this way, and you can open it up. Look what we got in here. So our motor and everything is in this side. Is that side the switch? Yeah. So this has the switch. And then the other end, which has the accessory, the charge, simply unplug it from the USB cable. Hold the vacuum cleaner in your hand and hold down the button for 5 to 6 seconds. Look at how much better this keyboard looks after we're finished.